Good morning to all of you. Me, Subhash Chandra Rai of University of North Bengal. I am presenting my abstract title, Black Rice Developed through Inter-Pacific Hybridization, Origin of Black Rice from Wild Rice of India. Wild rice species Oryza rufipogon is known as an immediate ancestral progenitor of cultivated rice and is a valuable gene pool for the widening of genetic base to break the yield plateaus and considered as an untapped reservoir of many biotic abiotic stress tolerant genes are crucial. There is no black green color in wild rice expression, only red color pericarp, indicating that black rice pericarp phenotype is a newly acquired trait and incorporated during the time of domestications of the cultivated rice. Previous study reported that black pigmentations are controlled by mainly three genes, CALA1, CALA3, and CALA4, according to Mida et al. 2014, supported by Wyckoff et al. 2015. Genome analysis evidence suggests that an 11 kb line 1 transcription insertion was reported to be the original genetic change at CALA4 region that gave birth to black rice, Wyckoff et al. 2015. There was no direct evidence or proof that during the course of domestication of cultivated rice, how this black pigmented pericarp has been arose and wild rice of which region of the world was the source of black rice gene. Purpose. Thus, in the present investigations, we are looking to provide the direct phenotypic and genetic breeding evidences about the origin of black rice through interspecific hybridization and artificial selection, also to support the genetic view of acquired neo-functionalization of color alleles to induce the biosynthesis of anthocyanin pigment in the pericarp to give birth of black rice during the course of rice domestication. Objectives to provide genetic evidence about the origin of black pericarp in the cultivated rice through interrogations and artificial selection in this wide hybridization in order to acquire the neo-functionalization insertional mutation, mainly of CALA4 alleles, to broaden the genetic base of cultivated rice varieties through wide hybridizations. Conservation of this valuable gene pool of wild rice of India as the only genetic resources of black pericarp genes is needed. Wild rice resources of Raiganj, India. Outcomes: 3 white crosses were made successfully. Batsavok into Oryza rufipogon, Changa Oryza rufipogon, Ronjit Oryza rufipogon. In the present investigations, we report for the first time in the history of rice breeding and genetics that aromatic black rice vines were developed through inter-Pacific hybridization and interrogations in the genetic background of Oryza sativa subspecies Indica, cultivar Batsavok, and Changa, but not in Ronjit. Thus, in this present investigation, direct phenotypic evidence has been provided about the origin of black rice pericarp trait in the cultivated rice through wide hybridization and artificial selections. Black pericarp trait has been inherited generations after generations in the breeding lines, which support its interrogational stability and occurrence of line 1 insertional mutations near the promoter region of CALA4 allele, according to Wyckoff et al. 2015. If there was no insertional mutation happened, then it would not be possible to develop black pericarp in the rice vein in our present investigations. Therefore, our present study provides direct evidence of the previously proposed hypothesis of Wyckoff et al. 2015. Our results also support the independent origin of Indica, Japonica Aus, and Basmati type rice. Field trial of pre-breeding lines, Batsavok, rufipogon. This is the most important lines we have developed through wide breeding, that one line with high grain number, more than 450 grains per panicle and plant height 105. This is a promising line. This is the black rice line. This is the segregations of black rice. This is the progeny of black rice line. So panicle morphology, you see that black rice developed, this is red rice. Based on our findings, it can be predicted that Indica type black rice originated in India, not in China. Revealing the origins of cultivated rice through domestications is a contentious event, Gross and Zhao 2014. Domestication is not a single event, but rather a dynamic evolutionary process that occurs over time. Oikawa et al., San et al., 2018. This is the agromorphological traits of pre-breeding. Agromorphological traits of pre-breeding, Changa or Rufipogon, pre-breeding lines, panicle morphology of grain, colors, red, brown, yellow, see, reddish, black, black, black. We have observed or we have developed that black rice through white crossing. Summary, new hypothesis proposed about the origin of black rice. This is a first report in the history of rice pre-breeding that black rice has been developed through white crossing and introgression of genes from wild rice accession of India. Based on experimental evidence, we propose a new model of black rice origin that black rice, mainly indica type of Indian subcontinent, originated independently through natural outcrossing, gene flow, and artificial selection in the course of domestication from the wild rice of India, not from China. This is a black rice developed through white crossing, Bassa into Oryza rufipogon, Changa into Oryza rufipogon. So research contributions to the Congress. This is a new innovative information and breeding knowledge which can contribute to overcome the many unsolved problems about the rice domestication, single or multiple independent origins, and more specifically origin of black pericarp color in the cultivated rice, although its immediate ancestral progenitor wild rice has only red pericarp. From our present research findings, we can summarize that black pericarp color is a recently acquired trait of the cultivated rice and confirms that wild rice of India has contributed some of its genomic regions in the genetic background of local cultivars Bassavok and Changa, which are highly compatible to recognize the genomic region from Oryza rufipogon by crossing introgression and gene flow in such a way that progeny lines acquired neo-functionalization with gain of function mutations mainly linked to anthocyanin biosynthesis genes CALA1, CALA3, CALA4, and through recombinational and insertional line 1 rearrangement. Genetic material can be shared among the scientists through SMTA of CBD 1992 and International Plant Treaty. To know the detailed genomic rearrangement has been happened during this black rice origin using genomic optical mapping. Thank you all.